There was a boy who loved the wind very much. When the wind blew, he was amazed by the dance of the leaves and the slight movement of the branches. But whenever he talked about his own dreams, those around him would smile and pass by. That's not for people your age. Those things are left to the connected. Changing the world? Come on, man. One day, a very strong storm came. Trees fell, roofs flew off, people hid in fear. When everything calmed down, the boy went outside. The surroundings were destroyed, but something caught his attention. The torn flag on the top of the tallest tree was still waving.